Hi guys, welcome to my channel, How to Do 13. Today I'm going to help you out and I'm going to make it a quick short video, so please like and subscribe, at the very least like. I'm going to show you 3 ways to speed up your computer, and it's the best way. First of all, if when you're playing your computer or your laptop, whatever, is jumping, just go up to here, go up to settings, then go down to preview scaling. And now what you can see here, it's on 720, and that's this here, as you can see there, 720. And all that means is when you're previewing it before we start recording, you know, it's on a high setting, just lower it down to 360. Straight away you've half the capacity, half the energy use, so your computer should speed up straight away. Then another thing what you want to do is, here, make sure real-time frame dropping's on. So basically, it'll speed up the computer, and so it drops the frames, whatever setting you've got it on, and it puts enough energy on it to do that. So that preview scaling combined with the frame dropping, that should be it. But also at the same time, go to settings, video mode, and see here it's on 1060, it's on 1080 by 60 frames per second. Now while you're doing your editing and everything, just take it down to the bottom one, 720 by 50. Then all you do is do all your editing. Once it's all done, if you want to have a quick look, then just change the preview scaling to the correct one. Change it back to so now I'm happy with this and it's all working fine, it's speeded up. Before I actually start downloading, I'm just going to go and change it back, the video mode, from 720 50 frames per second if you've got a good enough computer, to whatever you want it on, 1080 by 80 frames per second. Then obviously go to export and export your video. That's all it is, nothing more, nothing less. Go to YouTube. That's it, you know what to do now. So that's it, them 3 things. So scaling, knock it down to 360, the frame dropping and the frames per second. That's all it is, them 3 things what I've seen, nothing more, nothing less. I've made this video nice and short for you, so please give me a like at the very least. I'm doing loads of other tutorials, so I will appreciate it if you'd subscribe as well. Anyway, that's it for now. You all take care. Catch you on the rebound. Bye.